ल गाइजहरू होइन हामी चाहिँ यसो घुम्न आइरहेको छौँ यो चाहिँ खैरे हो दुईटा खैरे यतातिर छन् खैरे भाषा बोल्दैछन् यिनीहरू ओके
Are you happy, Krishna?
I'm really happy,
Are
bros.
you enjoying right now?
Yeah, bros. Especially for my vlog. Oh, you look like 3 Idiot, bro.
And then you're the teacher in the 3 Idiot.
Oh,
Bali tama.
oh yeah.
Did you enjoy, bro?
Yes, bro, I'm enjoying.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying. Huh?
You're not drunk.
No, bro. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. I'm recording.